Thank you for watching this week. Let me give you a quick update of where we are and what's the next step. So the bed is a bit of a mess, obviously, but I finished up caulking and painting all the seams. I haven't painted the ceiling or anything up there, but the little bookcase has been painted. I'm gonna go get shelves and put them in there a little bit later. And I finished up all the trim all around and inside the closet. The closet is going to be the next part. I need to paint it, and I'm beginning to bring some wood in here to make a closet. I want to make it quite a bit more efficient than it was before, because I had this really long rod that of course bows down, and everybody knows that that's what they usually do. But my plan for this one is to build a shelf at the top, not all the way to the top, not two shelves, just one, and then put down a vertical piece, two vertical pieces, so I can have cubbies on this side, and then a slot for long dresses there. Since my daughter is getting to be older, she will have some of those, I'm guessing. And then maybe try to do like a two-tiered hanger there for, rods for hanging clothes. But we'll see, maybe I won't do that, maybe I'll do something different. So anyway, that's the plan. Thank you for watching again. Please like and subscribe. This makes it a lot more fun for us to do. Thursday morning, and I have been working, as you saw, on the closet. Let me show you here. So the idea is that there's going to be a curtain rod here and a curtain rod here. This is going to be for long dresses and that kind of stuff. And then I'm going to see how it's going to look if I do like a two-parter. I tested it against one of my shirts and it was a little bit too long. But as I was trying to put this in place and sort of kind of force it to where it needs to be, the bottom one split. There was a weakness in that piece of wood. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is pull that out, replace it. I have the top one I haven't attached on this side yet, but I'll get it done. So the problem with this one is this. The front is narrower than the back. That's why I've been having difficulties with it, because I measured for the back and I didn't think to measure the front. So the front is very, very tight on that one. This one and this one is okay. This is still pretty tight. This one you have to just about hammer out to come out. But it is good. I think it looks great, honestly. And I'm gonna leave it a natural wood color, and it is gonna yellow a little bit over time. Thank you for watching this week. Thank you for sticking together with us. Apparently something has happened again with the algorithm, and my views have dropped a lot, but it is what it is. I went from 300-400, which I know compared to other people is very little, but I went from 300-400 views down to like 30. And they tend to do that, and that's irritating. And I read that happens to people that even have like millions of views. Something changes and they go to 500 a day rather than tens of thousands per day. So anyway, it is what it is. But thank you so much for being connected with us and watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe. And if you have subscribed and for some reason he has unsubscribed you, because that's one thing that I've been seeing happening too, please subscribe again, and hopefully the issues will get resolved. Have a great day.